Hi, and welcome to How to Day Trade for Beginners on eToro. So today I have a great video for all you guys out there beginning on day trading. I have lots of tips and tricks. Hope you've enjoyed my last two videos on day trading and seen how I've improved as I learn. Okay, so let's just start with what I've been doing the last month. So for the last 30 days, I've been doing quite well. I'm up $1,026.05. So I'm up 23.57%. Now, these are all mostly day trades, but multiple day trades within them, okay? So all of these trades here, you can see Neo and Plug, and this is going to be my second strategy. I'm not using the earning reports today. I'm going to be showing you how to day trade with stocks that you can learn, that you need to follow every day and get to know their patterns. So two stocks that I've been doing with this is Neo and Plug Power. But I just want to show you all of this profit has come from day trading. I don't day trade every day. But there's been one swing trade with Neo that I bought at $40 and I sold at $65 because of Neo Day. They released a new sedan. So you can take out 500 from this, but for a swing trade, but the rest of them have been day trades. But that's the last 30 days. So in the last 7 days, I'm up $240.90, up 4.67%. Now, these have all been day trades. And remember, guys, you got to take them losses too. That's risk management. So I had one loss there with Beyond Meat, but that's fine. It's $23. I'm fine with that. You need to get out before you should be getting out of the trade if it's not going your way after about 2%, 2.5%, or nothing lower than that because it can go back up in price. But I got out at 3.18%. But I only had $750 invested in this one. But you can see Neo is doing very, very well for me. Plug Power. And people have been asking me, do I ever do sell positions? Yeah, I do short positions, but I only short on stocks that I know are going to go down in price. So this one here, I sold this company here, PSX. They're a gas and oil refinery company, which are all going downhill at the moment. They come out with a bad earning report, and I shorted it with 2,000 invested, and I made $20.54. Now it went up to $30. I could have took the profit there, but then it dropped. So that's what you have to learn too, is not to be greedy. And also, guys, just for you guys beginning out on day trading, you need to start with virtual funds. Okay. And then when you're profitable, like if you're 5 days profitable out of 7, so 2 days losses, that's perfectly fine. Move on to real money. But you need to start off. It takes a long time and patience with day trading. I've been day trading now since like last October, and it's now only becoming very confident with it. You can see my last videos. I've grown and I've learned so much more. And also another thing, if you are on eToro and you have people copying you, the strategy with the earning report will not work for you, because sometimes I close them trades early between not and 30 minutes, but I only do one trade a day, so that's fine. And I mix up my trades between 30 minutes and an hour, and then maybe an hour and 2 hours, and then I do swing trading and copy trading, because eToro doesn't allow scalping. But if 10 people are copying you and you do a trade for like 15 minutes, that's 15 trades you're executing. So that's why I have my profile as private. Okay, so you can set up a second account on eToro. Remember that you're allowed two accounts. This is my day trading account, and you can set up another account. And if you want to set up a new account, please use my partner link in the description, and you'll be supporting the channel. But let's go move on here. So you can see there, guys, I'm very happy with that. And also I got to my day trading portfolio here is now silver. So I have over 5,000 invested. You can see here 5,320. So with now I'm up the silver membership. And you can see with the silver membership, you get some benefits. I've got an account management team now. So this guy here, Robert, he's going to be my account manager. You can schedule an appointment or email him. And also you get access to all these webcasts that eToro do. So upcoming webcasts, I'll be watching some of these and some of the previous events, and also the new eToro Money debit card that I made a video of. You can join that because now I am a silver. So really happy, building up slowly, slowly. That's what you have to do. So only invest money that you don't need. Do your savings account first, and then put in a little bit into eToro each month. That's what I'm doing. It's only now that I'm really investing with larger amounts, like 2,000. I started off day trading with 250 or something like that dollars. And if you are going to start off day trading, maybe just start off, and you don't want to use virtual money, start off with something small like 200, and do not use leverage, and only start off with a buy position only. Learn the buy position first and then move on to shorten stocks. I like the buy position because you have to learn the strategy that works for you. And for me, buy position works for me. I don't really like shorten, but there's a lot of profit in it. But I do short stocks sometimes when I definitely know the company is going to go down in value. So Neo is one of my favorite stocks that I can trade every day. The reason why I can trade this stock every day because it's so volatile. It goes up and down all the time. So what do? Every day I learn, I watch the news. It's very easy to do. So I just type in Neo stock price. So if you don't know, Neo is an electric vehicle company in China. They're like competition to Tesla. And the reason why I know they're very good because the Chinese government is supporting them, and they have a new battery replacement service over in China. And Tesla can only cover about 10% of the manufacturing of cars for China. And China are a big push to move to electric vehicles. They already have autonomous taxis over there. They're really ahead of the world with the autonomous vehicles. So Neo is getting really good reviews. So this is a stock I watch every day. Okay, I look at the news, guys. I watch the news. So I read most of these news. You don't even have to read the full article. So what you do, you use Google, you just put in Neo stock price, okay? It comes up here, easy chart to follow, okay? And then if you want the news, just click on the news tab and you get all the news from all the websites, okay? So upcoming catalysts that could move electric vehicle stocks up. Okay, you read all of these. Why Neo is up today, etc. Okay, so I know from studying all the news that that is my catalysts, and that is your fundamental trading. So you need to pick up with the news. Okay, so what I do is I use this Google and I study all the news, etc. There's another website I use for the charts and everything. I use Neo, or I use finance.yahoo.com. All you have to do is come down here, right click, and open a new tab. Okay, and that will bring up this chart. So I use Yahoo Finance. Okay, so it brings up here to the website. You expand it and you use the 1 minute intervals. Okay, so 1 minute intervals that you use, and when the market opens, when I'm day trading, I usually look for the first two candles, okay, to see if that's where the stock price, that gives me a idea where the stock price is going to go. So that's the website I use. Another website too that I use, okay, let's just go over here, okay. So I'm going to just go over here. So last Friday, it's still day trading for me. Last Friday, I invested in Neo stock, and today is Monday. So it's Monday, but Friday evening, I like to trade on the evening. If the stock is down on a Friday evening, I will buy it. Okay, especially the stock that I know like Neo. So I'll only buy Neo when it's at a good price to buy for day trading. I will buy it at a price that I'm happy to swing trade it, to hold it for 3 or 4 weeks or longer. Okay, so I'll only buy it when it's at a good price to buy. Okay, so looking over here at Neo, it's it's pre-market. It's up 2%. Okay, so last Friday, you can see here 5 days. Okay, so Friday, you can see here it went down to $57. Okay, see here, this is all last week. So Thursday it went down 57, Wednesday 58, and last Monday it was up 63, guys. So that's $7 up from what I invested on Friday. So it's at a good price to swing trade, and it's a good price to day trade. Okay, and the reason why I like Neo because it's so volatile. There's enough gain there. You can see it went up to 61 there, and other times it went up even higher to 64, 65 before. But I bought it at 57. So I'm in a great position here. Okay. So I bought it at 57. And then what happens after market on a Friday evening? There's after trading for 4 hours where people trade the stock. And I know from the patterns of NEO that this stock's going to go up. And after trading, I was right. And before pre-market trading is where traders, some platforms allow traders to trade pre-market. So that's 5.5 hours before the market opens. Some platforms can trade. And you can see here that because of the pre-market trading, it's up to $59.09. So it's up $2.09, up 3.67. So what did I do last Friday? I seen the price was down Friday evening and I went, okay, I'm gonna invest in this because if I'm gonna invest only on Monday morning, I'll have to pay this pre-market price that people have been trading. So I'll be buying at 59. So I'm losing that $2.09. So you got to know I only pick Neo when it's at a low price to buy. So last Friday, what I did is, but when you start off, just buy one trade at a time. Just do one trade at a time. But I broke this up into different trades. You can see here, I force bought 1,000 at $57.28. And then I see in the market, so you split up your trades so you can get an average better trade because you don't know if the stock's going to go up after watching them candles. So I seen here it went down, but then it went up again and then went back down. And I bought it, I invested another 500 at $57.97. And then I bought another $500 off at 56.86. So guys, these are all good prices. This is the stock price is up, as you can see here, to 59. So the market will open at 59.09. And see, eToro doesn't show the pre-market prices. So this is going to jump up into profit. All of these will be in profit when the market opens. And which one am I going to sell first? Of course, I'm going to sell the one that I bought at the highest price first. So I'll be watching the on Yahoo Finance how the candles are going here. I will sell off this one first and take the profit. And then maybe I'll leave these in longer all day, or I might take one of them off and just leave 500 in. And I could even leave that for a swing trade. So I'm covered. Another great website you should look at. So you put in Neo stock price and then you just put in prediction. All you have to do. These websites is all you need, guys. And there's a website called money.cnn.com. I click into that. And this will give you the analyst's expectation for the stock. Okay. So you look at this, right? So you can see here, over here on the right first, you can see what the analysts are forecasting for the next 12 months. So they forecast a median price of $68.81, and I bought it at the $57. So I'm below that medium range. And then the high is 194. And then the low is $15. But guys, I will never leave the stock in that long for day trading for it to go to that low. But you can see there, it's a great catalyst, great news for this stock. Okay. Also, you look at the current consensus among 18 polled investment analysts is to buy the Neo stock. Okay, so it's all good buy. I've got a good price. There's good news. They're doing great things in China. And it's just a really good investment. So I go back here. So the stock market opens in 7 minutes. So I'll be just doing this live. So you can see there, guys, I bought it on a Friday evening. I love them kind of trades over the weekend. If Neo stock is down on a Friday evening, I've learned the patterns that the aftermarkets and the pre-market, they will trade and it will come up in price. Okay. So it's bouncing from about 56 up to 62. Okay. So I'm at the lower price. The lowest it went to in the last like month was maybe 55, or last 2 weeks was like 55.50. That was its resistance, but it bounced back up. But I'm still really in a good position. So I'll only buy it when it's at the low price. So that is NEO, okay? Exactly the same thing with Plug Power. I bought at two positions here, 500 and 500. I bought at 63.4 cent and 63.75 on Friday afternoon when the price was coming down. But I know there's going to be that pre-market and aftermarket, and I know that this stock will go up in value because I'll be watching it every day. And I come on to Google and I see Plug Power is going up pre-market. So 64.48, and I bought at $63 here and 4 cents and 63.75. So I'm going to sell off this stock here first at 500 investment, 7.84 first, because this is the highest number I bought it at. So you can buy at different levels and then it'll average out at a good price for you, because you never know if the stock is going to keep going down or going back up. So I can spread your risk by buying at different times. Okay. So I bought at different times there, two trades. That's already up there, but that's going to jump up because it's pre-market up that price. Okay. And all you do is, and another good thing, guys. Okay. So how do you know? I do the same thing. I watch the news with Plug Power. I go to CNN Money. I just go in Plug Power price prediction, and I check all of the analysts are saying it's a buy position over there, and I'm below the median price with Plug Power too. Okay. And then if you want to come over to one of the famous in popular investor, Jay Nemesis, he's also invested in Plug, but he bought it at $61.87, and he's in for the long term. So I bought it not too much over his price. So if he's in for the long term, it's good news, guys. So you can also use these popular investors to see what they're doing and kind of copy them without copying them, if you know what I mean. But so Plug Power, so I'm both up because I love these trades, leaving them over the weekend, guys, when the price is down Friday and you know the stock, it's going to go up in value. You just know it, and you're buying it at a good price, because I don't know, on Friday, seemingly things are laxy-daisy and the price goes down. Maybe the traders are just taking it easy, or less people are buying stocks on a Friday. But then once it comes to the pre-market and aftermarket, the price shoots up. With these two stocks, not saying for every stock, you need to learn them. Like if it was high, NEO was high on Friday evening, I wouldn't have invested in it. So my trick for strategy too is to buy stocks that I at a price for day trading that I'd also buy for swing trading. So then I have that security that over the long term I can leave these stocks in and have that backup. Okay. So stock market opens in 4 minutes. So what I do is, so I want to get to Plug Power, the chart. So I've just put in Plug Power stock price, and I right click on Yahoo Finance, and that will load up there. So we'll just let that load up, and then the website comes up here, and then you'll see the chart is here. So you just click on full screen here. Once it loads up, click on full screen and leave it on the 1 minute chart. So the same as I have for NEO here. Okay. So I'm going to be watching these stocks. So I have it organized here. I'll close off a few of these. Okay. So you can see there, I'm happy with my investments so far. So all of these have been mostly day trading. So I close off a few of them tabs. So I'll have the NEO stock open, ready to close some of these. So I'll be closing. Which one I'll be closing first? I'm going to be closing this one, okay? Because I bought this at the highest price. So the stock market opens in 3 minutes. So remember, you have to research these stocks, that if you're going to use this, you have to follow these stocks. I rather actually NEO, because I know I watch it so much every day. And when you're starting off, only start off with one trade and one stock each day, okay? Get to learn that, and don't move on to short selling until you're confident, okay? And no leverage, because it's a great way to lose money. So I'll just organize this. So I'm going to have these two charts together so I can quickly flick through them. And then I'm going to have Neo on this side and Plug Power on this side. And then the Yahoo charts. It's just nice to look at these Yahoo charts so you can have an idea of the high points. Look at this with Plug Power. Like I bought at the 63 mark. Up here, it could go up to $10. So I might leave some Plug Power in. I might leave it in and take the profits when it rises up over the days, because there's great things for this company. Also, Neo, and the chart here I put over the 5 days. Look, it's at a real low point. It went up to $60. So if it goes up to $60, that'd be a great price. It's already up 59.09, so it's up near that $60. So I'll probably be watching the close Neo first. So the stock market opens in 1 minute, guys. So I have the charts ready. And then if you want to update to make sure they're updated, switch between 1 minute and 2 minutes. And then this will update the volume. These bars here means the volume, okay? So I'll do the same thing with Plug just to make sure. So if the volume updates when you click on these. Okay, I'm going to watch Plug Power first. And it's going to be this one here I'll be closing first. So the stock market opens in 1 minute. I'm calm, relaxed. I'm in a good position because I bought on Friday before the pre-market and after-market trading. Okay, so I'm not using the earning reports today because I have mostly invested, and 2 stocks is enough to be invested at one time for me for day trading, because you lose track. Okay, there we go. Markets have opened. Okay, so there we go. $30, guys. Okay, so I'm going to close that one and take that $30. That's $25 there. It's dropping a bit there, guys. Dropping. Let's just watch what's Plug Power doing. Plug Power is not moving. Okay, let's see. Neo is going to come back up in price. I'm sure of it. So watch the first candle. I just took the profit on that one straight away. I could even have took it at the 30, but that's fine. I'm getting the 2% is my target. Okay, so Plug Power is looking for a rise up there, guys. If I go over to Plug Power, I'm up $11 here. So I bought this at the highest price here. So I'll make sure I have this one closed first. And these are open for hours, so it doesn't go against the terms and conditions of eToro. So okay, I took the quick profit on that. Neo looks like it's dropping a bit there, guys. So I'm gonna maybe leave one of these open, the lowest one, 56.86. But see, I'm getting the 2%. I'm still looking for the 2 to 3%. That's all what I'm looking for. Let's look at Plug Power. Plug Power is rising up there in price, 65, 64. Okay, $7 there. $23. Let's see. Neo it could have dropped more today. So 2 red candles looks like it's going to drop there, guys. Let's look for the next candle to see. And the next candle is looking like it's going to drop there at that candle. Okay, it looks like it's going to drop. It'll be a pullback yet. Okay, I closed. Which one I'll close? I closed this one and take the profit there. So I closed that one, take $12 there. That's fine. Okay, so I have one open on. I'm gonna leave that one in maybe for the day to see how it goes. Let's go back over the Plug Power. I have $14 here, so it's rising up. So let that load up. $14 there. I'll just close that off. You can see here, $13 on this one. 500 invested. Come on, Yahoo charts. Okay, I might leave that 500 in there, guys, just to see how it goes over the day. But let's see. So $13 here for Plug Power. So the charts are loading up here, guys. Okay, Neo's dropping there. Boom, I'm going to take the profit. I'll buy it again. Okay, $12 there for Neo. So I'm out of Neo and I'm out of the trade. I'm going to leave it. I don't bother about that trade anymore. It's in the past. I'm going to buy again when it drops below the price. Okay, let's see here. Look at this, guys. Plug Power is going to the moon. So let's just watch this one here. So up $18 here. $11 here. Okay, close this one. Let's see, guys. We'll watch this one. So just watch these candles. So Neo's dropping in price. Forget about Neo. Okay, pending close. Oh my God. Hopefully that closes shortly, but that's fine. It's still in profit. Sometimes with eToro and with all these platforms, it can take a bit longer to close, but that's fine. Okay, let's watch this plug power to see if it's going to grow. Okay, plug power looks like there's a red there. Let's just watch this plug power. Let's see just how this candle goes there. Dropping there, guys. I'm going to close that trade, take the profit there. And I'm going to just watch this candle here. Looks like it's going to drop, guys. I'm going to close that one too. Boom. There we go, guys. Pending close. Come on, eToro, close them trades. Okay, back to my portfolio. Plug power. Plug is closed. Plug is closed. There we go, guys. There we go. Five minutes into the market opening, I took my profits. But guys, I had these open for hours on Friday, so it doesn't go against the terms and conditions of eToro. So now that that's gone, look at that plug power dropping. Okay, now it's gone. I forget about it. I buy again when the price goes down again. Okay, so I close there. Okay, let's look here. eToro, go to my portfolio. Go to my history. Portfolio. History. It's not showing my history for some reason. Come on, eToro. And we'll just go to my history here. Can't see that. Why is that not going to my history? No pending orders, so take me to my portfolio. History. I want to show you guys the profit that I made total in all them trades. Let's see here if that changes this. Okay. History. Where did you go to? My watch list. Something wrong with eToro here, guys. Sorry about that. But you can see all them trades that I closed. And let's see here. My watch list. Okay, guys, you can add up all them totals, what I did there. Lots of profit there. I wonder if I check on my phone, it'll show me. So all them profits, guys, from that strategy of learning two stocks, watching them, buying them when the price is down, a good price when the swing trading, go to CNN Money, go to the news, go to Yahoo Finance and use all of them tools, guys. And you can do exactly the same as me. As you can see, day trading is very, very profitable if you know what you're doing, but it takes time, guys. You need to start off small, like I did. I started off small and I learned and become confident, okay, in my trades. So for some reason, eToro is not showing my history. Which is a bit disappointing because I wanted to show you the total that I made over them few trades. But if you add up all of them trades, guys, I know it happened fast. It's not showing me my trades. Okay. Let's just watch here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. You've seen how I closed all them trades, and that's how to day trade for beginners on eToro. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to eToro, please use my affiliate link in the description. It won't cost you anything, but you support the channel. And if you want to set up a second account for day trading, please use my link and join me with my second channel. This is my fourth channel. I also have the channel EC Green Candle. As you can see there, guys, I made nice profits today. Unfortunately, something wrong here with eToro. It's not showing me the the history. It's going to the watch list. Some bug here on eToro. But guys, there's other trades here. Not worried. The Nasdaq is down. Walt Disney is coming up with an earning report on the 9th of this month, and it's going to go up in price. I'm not worried about this. Small changes. The Nasdaq went down, but this is a long-term trade. I'm going to make a video of that over the next few maybe week or so. But yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. You've seen how quick I got the profits there. You can see that I spread out I don't always use the earning report, so and I'm spreading out my trades so it doesn't go against eToro's rules about scalping and everything like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace and love. Bye.